Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec Prerunner LED light kit available for the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. The kit installs 3 waterproof amber LED marker lights behind the grille in the front of your Wrangler, giving it a great touch of that Prerunner style. The kit includes everything you need to get it installed, in fact, with no drilling or modification to your vehicle required, thanks to its plug-and-play wiring. Now, the installation takes only a few minutes. You will need to assemble the lights to the mounting bracket when you receive them. That's a simple job of sliding the wiring through the slots in the mounting bracket, installing the grommets, and then pushing the lights into place. Now, we've even included spots on the bracket to zip tie the wiring for a neat look. Now, once you have that assembled, we can go ahead and move on to the Jeep. We need to go ahead and first remove the front grille of our Wrangler, disconnecting our turn signals and then setting the grille aside. Now we can go ahead and install 2 U-nuts into 2 brackets already in place behind the grille of your Wrangler, and then secure the LED light Prerunner kit in place with the included hardware. Next, we can go ahead and run the wiring behind the driver's side headlight, dropping it down into the driver's side fender flare. And this is where the plug-and-play wiring comes into play here. We simply need to disconnect the wiring at our driver's side marker light, and then we can plug the harness in between the vehicle side harness and the marker light. Once it's connected, you can go ahead and zip tie all the wiring in place, tucking it back up into the fender flare. Last, we can go ahead and reinstall the grille on our Wrangler, being sure to reconnect our turn signals. And that's all it takes to get the Quadratec Prerunner LED light kit installed into the front of your Jeep. Now, thanks to that great plug-and-play wiring, there's no additional switches or anything needed to get them powered up. They will activate automatically when you turn on the running lights in your Jeep. Now, it is worth noting that the Prerunner light kit is not compatible if you've installed an aftermarket hood lock in the front grille of your Wrangler. It is also not compatible with aftermarket grille inserts. However, you may be able to make them work with some added modification. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or purchase the Quadratec Prerunner LED light kit for your Jeep, you can click on that info button, head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have comments or questions about the kit or how to get them installed in your Jeep, you can leave those for us in the comment section below, as well as contact us at any of the options on the screen in front of you. You'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.